Welcome to Easy Life 98. Today, we're discussing 3 unique ways you can earn money online without any capital investment. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a method to earn extra income from home, we have 10 proven methods for you. Let's explore these 10 genuine ways to earn money from home without any investment. First on our list, we have freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to sell your skills, be it writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management. Create your profile, showcase your expertise, and start earning. Next up, online surveys and tasking. Websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay users for completing surveys, watching videos, or performing small tasks. It's a way to earn some extra cash in your free time. Thirdly, teaching and tutoring. Share your knowledge by teaching others online. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or creating courses on Udemy and Teachable can convert your knowledge into cash. Fourth on our list is affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission on each sale. It's a fantastic passive income method that helps you earn money by recommending products. Moving on to content creation, be it YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, you can earn money through valuable content, whether it's in science or any other field. Choose your preference and start sharing your passions with the world. Next, selling online products. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace let you sell items you no longer need. Additionally, Etsy or Gumroad provide opportunities to sell crafts, art, or digital products. Seventh, we have participating in market research. Companies often pay for customer opinions. Websites like User Testing or Respondent pay for participating in market research studies or product testing. Next up, becoming a virtual assistant. Provide administrative or creative support to businesses or individuals remotely. Websites like Remote.co or Upwork post job openings for virtual assistants. Ninth on our list, transcription and translation services. If you're skilled in languages, platforms like Rev or Gengo provide opportunities to transcribe audio or translate texts. Finally, social media management. If you're proficient in social media, offer account management services for businesses or influencers. Start networking and showcasing your skills. In summary, these were the 10 proven ways you can start earning money without any investment. Remember, these methods require not just a means to earn money, but also dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Choose a method according to your skill set and interests, and start your journey of earning money online.